Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to export a GIF in CapCut. So first of all, let's take our image right here and here and take it to CapCut. All you have to do is just take it into your timeline. Last, let's adjust the GIF length and maybe let's try to make it 19 seconds. That's good. All you have to do right now is, as you can see, this is all ready to export GIF. All you have to do right now is click export and check the video and check the export GIF. Make sure to put it into the best resolution and hit export. Now click open folder and here you can find your exported GIF or GIF. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe and wait for more videos on CapCut.